Hello, Bumtase. Do welcome back to the chat or the reality with Dolphin. And I'm your host, Dolphin Mutlala from Rampatlele Mashite. If you are new to this channel, you already know what to do. Just click that subscription button. Do not forget to share, like the video. Only if I am your tea. Anyway, I have a new guest another day, and I'm going to give her the platform to introduce herself to you guys. And like an alagahara. Hi, how are you?
Hey, I'm good and you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm sharp.
Ke sharp.
Okay. Ke kopa tlhalosetsa batho hore nako wena mang o tswa kae and o tlilo tlo dira mo the reality with Dolphin.
Okay, nna lebitso la ka ke Dikeledi.
Mhm.
Ke tswa sighting ya Spruit.
Okay.
Yes, so ke tlile mo, I think ke batla maybe ho heala
Mm-hmm.
because of now ke dintho tsa ke sort of the flashback tsane ke le monyane tse ile horeng di kopana le nna. So
Okay.
now ke bona hore ha ke bua ka tsona because of now how pointer out certain people ba ileng ba utlwisa bohloko ha ba acknowledge the mistakes. So now dintho tseo e ba sort of an anger. O qetelletse o bana le anger and then I'm like itsa ke hlakana le di videos on TikTok. I'm like this is what I need. Yeah, this is what I need. Ke bue le motho e leng ha ntsebe.
Mm.
Yeah, because ha o bua le motho o sa o tsebeng
Then I guess.
ha ona hore motho o tla nka side ya hore nke side ya motho o mong
Yeah.
o bua from ntho a utlwang from ho wena.
Mm.
Yes, so ene ke nahana hore by doing this ha nkare ke hlolehile ke tla be ke tseba hore I tried it all. Yes.
But before we tla mo the reality with the Dolphin, will our travel counseling or maybe bolale someone else?
No, ke kile ka ya counseling but ne ke sa ya ka the same issue ke tlileng ka yona mo.
Mm-hmm.
Ne ke ile ka the life issues thing. Ke kile ka ya ho yona ya nthusanyana moo le moo. But now etsahalang no, it's something e leng ke realizetse hore ke something e leng e nlemaditse from ke sa le monyane. Yeah, so that is why I'm like I can't be living like this. This thing e etsa leqhubu le bohloko, so I can't. Yeah, ke hloka hore ke le nna ke be free from whatever that I'm going through.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Take us through whatever you went through or re tla re kgone ho tseba hore na like re bolela ka eng.
Okay, so ntho ke tlo e etsa ne before. Ke tlo etsa I highlight ya life ya ka before. Because now batho ba o tshwana le rona life ha e simple. Life
In
e
what
dula
way batho ba tshwana le rona?
like re ke re batho ba ha o hola o le ngwana o sena batswadi.
Oh, okay.
Yes, o
Okay.
sena
O refer
mangwe
to the
ene o
orphans
tswa from a poor background.
background.
Yes, so
Okay.
actually background ya hao e le mpe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
the background. So ntho e ke batlang hore maybe ke etse ke hore background ya hao ha you determine le motho.
Yes.
Yeah, but
Yes.
now at the same time o lwana each and every day. Like ha ona rest. Yeah, so ke tlo bua before ke tla ho the main thing hantle. I just want to give out highlight ya my life.
Okay.
Okay, ke hotse ke le ngwana ke le sharpo life ya qala ho change. I think I was 13 years. Mme wa ka ha hlokofala. Okay, my mama hlokofala ne re sa phele sharp but ho no le sharp. Re phela re ja and everything. Mme wa ka hlokofala ke high school. Shapa ke high school ke January wa patwa dikolo di a bulwa. Ha ona uniform. Ke ya sekolong ke ikaparetse my own clothes tsa hae. Sekolong ha ke fihla ba botsa what happened? Ho etsahalang ngwana Modimo? Ke re ai nna ke na diphahlo. A tseba the talk ya di mistress mara ba kgonne ho rekela diphahlo tsa hae but ba hlolehile ho rekela phahlo tsa
Yeah,
sekolo.
just school.
That kind of a
Yes.
talk ne ke setse le nkgono. Nkgono wa ka ba mmitse sekolong ha tla nkgono wa ka ha sebetse a bue nkgono wa ka okay. Ha rena next. And then the other teacher a nrekele I think it was a skate and a trouser. Yeah, a nrekele diphahlonyana somewhere there. Sharp ke dule le nkgono wa ka. I had ntate wa ka e le horeng things were not okay by then. Mo wa ka ha hlokofala. It was just a mess. So I decided to ke dule le nkgono wa ka. But you know the funny thing, ha ne ke le ngwana, those things ne di sa tjho next on. Like I couldn't care less. Sharp. Re phele le nkgono wa ka motho grade 8, grade 9, grade 10 nkgono wa ka hlokofala. Okay. Nkgono wa ka wa hlokofala. I had nowhere to go. Ke dula mole. And then life e be nthonyana tse jwalo sekolong ba ntholle di-social workers, and then social workers at least di ding uplifting because there was programs re di tsamaye and everything. And then ke kopane le mme, ke tla mmitsa gore ke mme a na re kereka le ena. O nratile le nkgono wa ka before a hlokofala a kopana le nna because there was my friends ba ne ba tsamaya kereke ba re okay let's go o tsamaye kereke le wena, a sa le ke le ngwana a ratang kereke Apostola. We go there, o mnate ra kereke, mme lo o nratile like from day one. O nratile a kgona go rekela dintho like o na understand okay ngwana o a sokola ene ke ngwana nkgono hanang re tsamaya le ena kereke ho mnate sharp. After mo nkgono wa ka hlokofale, she's still in my life mme. All right, I'm doing grade 8, life e tswele pele ke itholletse mme, and then I'm like okay ke mme wa kereke mme o kila bona gore man at least ke thotse mme motho o tlo replace mo wa ka in life go ba mnate life ke ba le grade 10 nkgono wa ka hlokofale e be life nyana e jwale e seng monate, but ha ona next e le rong e la nthikazisa because one thing about me I had a vision because I wanted out. Ne re dula teng, it was informal settlement mo ne re dula teng, so mme o mana dula teng e ne le sort of the bond.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so mana dula teng, so we usually go there. It was nice, but na le nkgono wa ka ne re dulela ko mekhukhung mo ntate wa ka mana dula teng, it's like the RDP, but because of the complications of life ne ke sa kgone ho dula le ena ntate wa ka ke dulela le nkgono wa ka, so nkgono wa ka o sile le malmo wa ka o hlokofetse sharp ntse ke ya sekolong I was doing grade 10 and then it's grade 11, grade 12 ke tsamaye ke dula le ntate wa ka. Ntate wa ka a ntshwarise stress as much as ne ke se balela ke kope mme o re ke dule le ena since ne le mme a nang rata, and then I like she was the best sharp. Ke dule le mme grade 12 mind you ke go di social working, I get grocery, I get dintho like ba o fa di grocery everything gore o be set for the whole month. O ska re ngwana ha ya sekolong, there's clothes, there's uniform, they do that sharp. Ke tsamaye ke dule le mme it was all okay, nana le bana ba ithuba bashimane, and then it was nna le monna hae I feel aba sharp aba right. All of a sudden things changed a qalele e be motho o changing along the way.
Mme wa Marapelo.
Yes mme, but I thank her because of ntho tsa di entseng o rutile gore ke be strong because ke ba sa etsa ntho tse ke be ke maybe ke le jwang ne le motho e leng ne ke sa tswe strateng ne ke dula ke dutse like ha ba tlo ye anywhere o dula o dutse ha o ye ba khotseng ha o ye kae ka lebe mme e loreng go bana le nthonyana tseo ha ngwana hae a entse something now when I report ha enke attention, and then ngwana le ena ha nna ke entse something nga attention. Yeah, and then I'm a very stubborn person, I don't want to lie, but I'm stubborn, I react to situation. Yes, that's me, I react to situation. And then ke kale no ke bona okay ke be ke ngwana, I mean like ke ngwana o molo stubborn ona ngwana le go ntla go right e be nthonyana tse jwalo a kgalmele ka kwa ke bona okay di favoritism, and then when I get mad ngwana hae o kila a utswa o tswitse something yaka, and then I went ka khatha madigo a hae, and then I did
o rodileng
o tswitse ngwana hae ne o tswitse some of my things
wena wa dirang
ka nka scare I cut madigo a hae a matcha brand new because now I saw go buenga ka utlwala, and then a tla lwana this and this, you can't do that, I just kept quiet sharp. Life, it wasn't that much simple, it wasn't easy. Ka di holidays we were forced to re tsamaile ena habo re chakele ena ka di holidays sharp. It's okay, we go December time e atla re tsamaye. This lady o nana le di friends so now when the situation changes ha se ke khutla ke passitse matric yaka re ya khutla now is January, and then now batho ba dulang le bona ke batho ba bagolo, they come to me as ngwana ha se ba keng dikeledi hey motho o bua this and this ka wena ke motho e lo reng ha happy ka wena o understand ntho tse jwalo like ntho tse ne ba di buane I didn't take them ka nako eo chapa a ka dinkela hlong ka di tlwella tsa nne tsa phasa, but now I started to realize ha go nna ngwana ha o ila fail and it sene miaka teacher na mo na bitsa sene miaka, and then she was like na o bona no mo time am pelaka ke tlo dila le ena a ke tsebe go ntho e tshoreng but I was like okay now I need a solution. I had friends bomme ba kereke ba ne ba mo tshaba ke mme o hlomphehang ke mme o nang le seriti batho ba mo tshaba like o tshaba ho mo toba so o understand so ba thaile ka di engele or maybe ba batla hore ke etswe, but they couldn't win it. Le ka kerekeng ha ba zama ho ela, they couldn't win it. Then they try by all means hore ke etswe mole. They couldn't. In the end, and then we ended up doing what? Ra plotter kaofela rona. I took my clothes, a le siko, ka di beha ho the lady a ntsa ntjwetsa everything. Because they were helping me. Ka di beha mole diaparo tsa ka. And then, when I'm bekeng ha di bona, sharp. Ntse ke robala ke etsang. I notice, because ne dula tlasa bethe. I notice hore ha hona diphahlo. A bitsa bomme ba few, a ba bitsa he. Okay. La mona he ngwana o entse jwang, so there's no need hore ke mo keep mo sampe fatshe, why did I do this? Ke re ke batla ho tsamaya. So why o batla ho tsamaya no sa bue le nna? Ke re ke tla bua le wena jwang because of o dula o lwana. I can't, like tla bua le wena. Diphahlo tsa o eng di kae? Ke bue maka ke re diphahlo ke di sitse heso 6 plekeng enngwe e different. A re ho nna, okay, no, it's fine, we can go now. I had a phone, nako di phone tsa Z113 Motorola. Yeah, I had that phone. Phone eo e ne qeta ho wa metsing. A tshwere SIM card ya ka. And mind you, I get after grade 12. If you after grade 12, obviously ke apply le bo mesebetsi bo di eng. O keep tile SIM card. Keep tile SIM card ya ka. And le before keeping the SIM card, ne ke na le problem le yena. I received a bursary from a legal company. Ha ke thola bursary, mme o le letter e le nyamaletse matsong a hae. Itse ke fihla kana, I was happy. Okay, ke thotse bursary, this and this and this and this and this. Like I was happy. Okay, because it was a history thing. Ke monna hae a re ke bone. Congratulations, what. I bone monna hae, and then I batle letter. Letter I bone. Se ke batla letter back so that I can be able to complete, and then ke bone ke submit jwang. Azange answer letter. Azange answer letter ile. Like ke ile ka e tlohella because of the personality e leng yona. Sharp, I let it slip. Ka nako eo azange ya bana le effect and everything. Sharp. Ya batla ba SIM card. Ke tlo tsamaya. The lady o a ntsa ntjwetsa everything and the information. A re hona, SIM card is I never close toy. And in my mind I'm like, no man, it can't be. Motho o nang rata jwalo ka ngwana hae. So, like I refuse to believe that. Oh, there's no way, I'm just gonna go there. And then o tla mfa SIM card. I went there. What? A se tsebe sky. Question ya was like, motho ke apply le mesebetsi. And then she knows hore ke batla dintho tse jwang. Ene ke na le ngwana heso. I'm nyana, I think ngwana by then. I think una na le boma, I think 8 or 9 wa moshimane. E le hore o dula le ntate wa ka. E le hore sometimes when I do dintho ne ke ya ke msheba ntho tse jwalo. Ke motho wa tseba mos ke na le ngwana o monyane tshwantse ke mhlokomele. So a ka se etse ntho e. I was like in denial, sharp. A hane ka sona SIM card. I walked. I went back to my uncle, and then ke fihle ke apologize for ke tsamaye ke dule le mme ole because o na e disapprove vele. Ke kopa ntshwarele for going there. I learned my lesson. All right, malmo ka okay, sharp. Life is tswele pele ebe 2007 e fele. 2008 I got my first job. Ke iphilele because ke ile ka tswa le kerekeng. Because ne ga ke hlaso on the street, una change side. Ne ga ke hla ke tsamaya so, a change side. So I'm like, this is not worth it. Like really, ka vela ka tlohella kereke, ka tlohella everything. Ka itsamaela, ka itholla mosebetsi ono, ke itholletse ona. It was a waitressing job. Next mind, ke kgona ho beha dijo ko tafoleng. Okay, nako ya feta ke isebeletsa right. Ke mo qinna, I think that 2007. Ka tlo mmona ke kopana le ena ha sa qabana le batho ba kereke. Ba le ba qabana. Due to lerato la motho, I came back. I'm the one who tlileng ho yena. Ka mmotsa what happened? And you say, this and this batho ba njigetse ntho tse so. Ka ema le yena. Even though bale ba kereke ba ntjwetsa okay, this is what happened. Ba re ma wa tseba hore me o entse. Ka re it's fine guys. A re di tlohelle ntse but ke mwaka. Motho o lang rata. Sharp. Ke khutlele life ya hae ne. Ke 2010. Life is tswele pele 2010, 2012. Ntse re ncenga. Ene ho ntso na le dintho tse le hore di a hlahella tsa di etsang ha ne ke santsane ke na le yena. But I'm not paying attention ko tsona. Ka 2020 when I started to realize hore the effect tsa di entseng ho nna, those things they were painful. Jacob ke tshwere ke motho o posi. O ntsa kereka. O wa ordera batho ba baholo ba kereke. Ba etse ntho e batlang ke yena. And then I question, I'm like, batho ba, they won't do that thing because of now. They can't even address you because of when I batla batho ba o tshabe. And I was so furious. Like, I gigile ka fuma, like I was so furious. And then anka fatsa mpe fatsa rona, it seems like I have a problem. Ha ke ke mshebile, I have too much anger towards it. Problem ya ka keng. Ke mme fatsa ke mjwetse. Ke go yena ke na le problem le wena. The more ke ba pela hao, the reflection tsa nakwela ha ne ke dula le wena di a gutla. Ene ke batla go tseba gore letter ela yaka o la isa kae, the SIM card, ene o lantsha le lentswe la gore e o thola meriri tla samsam. No nagana gore ke robala le monna hao at that age ke ne ke le ngwana. A mme o a rena ha tsebe ke bua kang, ha o tsebe ke bua kang, a re yes, a rena dintho tse wena a zanga di etsa ntho tse bila di hopola sharp mara go di hopole e slide that thing e ha ga I bua if it's a slide. Ne re le on a trip of a church. We went to a trip, you coming back. So now this year yaba ya explode. Ntse re nqa ke life ya high. And life ya high, I do a lot of things ko life ya high.
As we speak.
Yes.
Oh.
As we speak, because of kinto. I think kinto hore o batle mme bad in your life. Ihloko ene ha go matla aba etsa ka tselanyana eng. So I think ke yona hape for problem because of that space sa go batla mme. Qeteletse o batlile le bomme ba bana ba batho kanthi life ya batho e destroy.
But if I may ask, what makes you feel the need to have a mother?
I think because of maybe aka mme wa ka azanka ka phela le yena, or maybe ka utlwa lerato la hae, but itse yena ha appear in my picture and then angrata, I was like, I got myself a mom. Now is the time for me to because you've got friends and then batho ba bua mo ka this and this and this and this. Lona batla feel lerato le la mme man. Okay, ha na le mme ke just thing, there's topics, there's talks, it's about mme utlo motho ona bua le mwa this and this and this. Like ke go ba ngwana like go galla nthonyana tse jwalo. Yeah, so ya ba ena ntwe o mme o ke mkeeptile life yaka and then doing a lot of things still sharp. This year we went on a trip, we're coming back. And then when we're coming back, there's a few people that wanted to go back to church, whereby Sansanana le grudge towards them. So now I inform her, Sheba, hey, it's kind of surprised if a certain people battle. You understand? No, they need to come and apologize. My question was like, ba apologize jwang wena o hlolile o apologize honna. I spoke to you 2020. You never apologized. And then no, you still. I etseng a late the lady e le goreng kile ka mo jwetsa gore ana bua le ena by then a mmotse gore nna ke kile ka bua ka ngwana o so ka etsa ngwana o so ngwana wa tseba gore ne ke mo rata le ngwana ke mo hodisang. That lady a re yena ntho tso ha di etsa pelo ya ka ile ba bohloko ne, but I understand no ba mtshaba. I'm like, okay, it's fine. Still le hona je, you can't acknowledge. The only thing that I wanted from Cohen is like, dikeledi ntshwarele ngwanaka. Even though a ke sa di hopola tse ding tsa dinto, a ke tlo ahlola ke ahlole batho, but just to say ntshwarele ngwanaka. The things tse ke wisitseng tro tsona nna ne ke o rata o le ngwanaka, and then ke re ke a o phutha, but then maybe ke tswile tseleng hanyana, it was gonna be okay. But now unketsa ka re nna no I'm a bad person, like ka re ke a hlanya. And now the more unketsa ka re ke a hlanya, the flashbacks they keep on coming back. They keep on coming back. Mantswe a hae ha o dutse ka kamoreng o tla lentswe tlo jotsa. There was a time ane re tsamaile le yena nako ke santsane ke gola, ha re gutla ne re rata go tsamaya ka train wa kula. Nna ke motho mo normally people they say ke na le pelo mpe. Ha ke rate ho tefisa motho o kutlwe le sona. Ke motho le ha kula o batla ka ofela le pay attention o yena. Ka ofela le motshware ka ofela o jwang sharp. Re tsamaya le ngwana hae wa kula, ngwana wa mthusa sharp. Ha ke na taba ke robaletse. Ha gutla ke go kamoreng o jotsa the lady o go yena a gona jana was sick. And then ke go betse nana fela motho o kakalletse o go betse. Kana go o busy o nyofa dijo tsa ka wa ja ibile o jala o feta bana baka. You see those get the flashback now, they are coming back. And I'm telling her, she's like, no, there was no such thing that happened. There was no such thing happened. So everything now, it came back now. ya clashana now le my memory.
Mm.
Nna le yena, like, it was bad in a way ya hore it was like I just want to walk away from Kummeo. Because clearly yena o re nna ke mo hloile. I'm like, aka o hloya. I just want you to say, because of you cannot expect o kope tshwarelo ko mothong. Wena ba tle ba kope tshwarelo, wena you failed ho kope a simple apology. So ke yona the whole thing e leng e tsusitse like dintho tsa kgale kaofela, like makhubu, like that anger ela e tsuwile, di flashback tsa kgale hore ke phetse so ka phela so, like even asking God why nna tshwantse ke ye through this. Hobane ntho e bitswang happiness, I don't wanna la nna ke tsebe happiness. Because I feel like you question, ibile bona le ntho hore if nka ba happy, there's something bad that's gonna happen. That's my life. Like dula ona le ntho hore nna like ka tshwanela ho thaba. So it's me. So ke dula ke lwana, like I always fight. If happiness e fihla so ntso sheba ka morao, like o emetse anything e leng wa tseba it tlo wisa moya. So it was one of those things e leng ke butsitse modimo, but then I was like, anyway, it's fine. Because always untlisetsa dintho tse leng di a nthabisa, ne a fetsa mo di disappoint. Ke ntho tse leng ke di expectile. Yeah, so ke yona the whole thing e leng yo impeile mo minding engwe e leng it was really painful. Because trauma mpeileng ho yona ke le ngwana le treatment. A ke kgalle for anyone. A ke kgalle for ngwana o mong le o mong a ka ya through that. And a ka experience, no. So ke batla fela ho heal from ka hare. And this thing ya ke batle e phethetse di flashback. Di flashback da not ha se ntho e monate le because wa itse nka o jwetsa hore ke phela ka dipidisi. Di sleeping tablets. Ke phela ka ona le di rescue drops tse ke di sebedisang just to calm my nerves down. Because of now this thing ha e trigger yena, and e trigger wa ke yena njalo, ha e trigger the whole thing di tswa fatshe. So it seems like ka nna no ke na le like pelo empe or ke tshwara sekhupi or something, or maybe there's a problem kan. Like okay, it's fine.
Yo, a tsa ko theleditsene ke a go a bolela, but o ka re go ne le tse dingwe tse le ra o di bolele ke be so. Like for example, someone will ask gore motho o utlwisitse bohloko, right? O ra ge a dirile eng, just to be precise. And another one a ka tswelela a re motho o utlwisitse bohloko ka baka la gore o dirile SIM card. Do you understand? Motho o utlwisitse bohloko because o keepile SIM card o rona o ska go ja mmereko. Ke nyako tseba ntho e kgolo e leng gore you know o ile a dira wa topotsa gore this one yona ke breaking point. Ke nyako tseba like that thing, like the treatment, how was the treatment? And automilo change her name, because it doesn't make sense for someone to take you in as a daughter.
Exactly.
I would treat it like a trash. Yes. It does not make sense. Because motho o savile from the streets.
Yes.
A o tšea, a go phutha ka hae. A go dumella hore o shere bogobe le borotho le bana ba hae.
Yes.
Nka se re ke villain.
Yes.
Go ne le tse di botse tse leng gore o di dirile. And le tse dingwe ke tse leng gore santse re bolele ka tsona tse di botse tse leng gore o go diretse tsona tse leng gore o bone ka re santse re o mo lebogele go tsona. And another thing I can pick up from the story, you know, once wa involve motho wa three ka gare ga relationship ya batho ba babedi, e thomo ba le problem.
Yes.
Because no, for example, or the other lady, ke ene le gore ba deliver ditaba from yena, a dinka, a di tlisha ko wena.
Yes.
O no SIM card o ka se se bone. And indeed go ya ko SIM card ka nnete wa se tlhosa se bone. Do you understand? Motho wa three sometimes
o senya dintho.
Yes. Relationship na possibility ka ba gona or okay. Vana we know them, like ke spoiled brats. Go bona ngwana mongwe a tle ka high, like nto we nagana ka motlhong go reng o nya go replace, o nya go just spot saka. We know them, like je wa dine bothata. But now the main focus ke wena le the mother. Wa understand bana tsa gore o dirileng dilo tsa ngwana hae 1 2 3 re di tlwaetse. Le nna e be ke sa dumele o fa ngwana mongwe le ke re laka because e be ke le childish. Do you understand? Je ke tse lore o ka di fixa like overnight. Wa understand? But the first mistake we dirileng, I know hore o se jo mojeje ka hore o ne short temper. ke motho le hore a nyako botsiwa. We know parents like that.
Yes.
They do exist, right? But ke feel okare nka bula dula le ena fase pele before o tla paka dibeke tsa hao. Wa sepela wa di paka hanyane o di isha motsong o mongwe. You were supposed to sit down with her before o ka take any step. You know why? We are talking about the same mother who took you in.
Yes.
Mo neng gore motho mongwe ba senya go go tšea. Ke re bolela ka someone le gore o go rescuile.
A stranger, yes.
And a possibility or that person maybe was lying. Because now I do believe her life is spiritual. Maybe go na le di-spiritual reasons tse leng gore e ba senya gore wena o atlege, e ba senya gore wena o phomelele. And also go na di-spiritual reasons tse leng gore di ka dira gore motho a nyake go go take in as a daughter.
Yes.
Also. Do you understand?
Yes.
So, but now ho tlhalosa story sa how me ke le Dolphin ke a gore okay. Mosadi o tsereng in o leng gore was supposed to protect you.
Yes.
O feleletsa a breaka trust. O feleletsa a tšea advantage. A go abuser emotionally.
Yes.
Mara o dirile keng gore a feleletsa a dira so? Why the sudden change? What happened? What provoked her to that level? Because something you're not idiregile, maybe we don't know.
Exactly.
And another thing you did mention in your statement, gore, there was a point where bana no ro robala le monna hae. These are the things that we need to hear. Ke keng into e dirileng gore e break the relationship between you and we're gonna refer her as the mother. Between wena le your mother.
Yes.
King into e dirileng gore a feletsa out treater harsh out of the blue.
The question I told you was and I've been asking myself that. But you are the problem kore. Ntotso kaofela ha batlo di acknowledge, so I can't even ask that. Because ha ke botsa gore ke batla o tseba okay shapa ke no se ke batla o understand gore hantle o bile phoso kae. O nkile o ngata, what happened? Like o tšhintšhisitswe keng because o ngatile ke soka ke dula le wena. You did things for nna. Like ebile bana ba bang ba na le jealous go nketsetsa dintho. O understand? So now se ke dula le wena ha se ke dula le wena o so change. O tšhintšhisitswe keng? By then ha ne ke le ngwana sharp a ka mo botsa dintho tseo because no sena go nka mmotsa dintho. But now se ke le moholo ke batla o tseba ke mmotsa okay. Dintho tse so ke dintho tse leng ke di bone tse ding di etsagala. Wana ntho tse nkutlisitse mhloko ho mme. O nkile letter ya ka ne tshwantse ke be ke nana ke be e nketsitse breakthrough e bursary. Ene le gore ina le body internship ka mohare. Which is ke a career thing ya ka. E le gore ngitsela ke mjotsa ka yona a re ko nna ke nagana gore a ka nsenyetsa life jwalo fela.
Sorry.
You understand? So now the thing gore ha ke bua lena if ana mfa di answer tse ke di batlang. Okay, this is o ntjwetsa gore ke phoso e bile kae. Re gone ho ilukisa. Ha acknowledge next ha ona next I dumela.
Okay, o ile wa troublela le ena.
Ke try lo bua lena.
Okay.
As ke tshokere ke buile lena ke re 2020. I try to gore ke bua lena ke mjotse 2020 because now this thing di trigger wa ke ena ha etsa like maybe dintho tsa khale because ke motho no o tla o jotsa go ska tsamaya le batho ba so ga ba tshwana lo bua le batho ba so. You understand? So la se ke moholo la se ke le moholo o tla o jotsa go ska bua le mme mama. So dintho I'm like you cannot keep on doing dintho tsela. Ona tse se ke le moholo ke gona bua le mang ke gona bua le mang ke gona ke set decision. Ke understand na ko la ne ke le mnyana maybe no protector ke. Yeah, it's fine. But now, you still keep on doing those things. Why we are dintho tseo? No, ke go bontsha lerato ntho tse jwalo. But then the answer tse ke di batlang go arabe hore treatment o no e etsetsa eng. And then she keeps on saying, no, nna ntho tseo ha ka di etsa. Nna ntho ene ke tseba gore ke ne ko rata. And then nna ne ko hodisa ko rata. And then me ke mmotsa potso ke re, do you think gore dintho tse ke like ke iketsetsa? Like di tswela fela mo hlogong ya ka out of the blue. Like I could say, or maybe or something. I don't know, maybe I'm losing my mind. Because I wanted to Nalena re a good relationship. Nalena, as much as and I'm still looking life even though but I've got that thing from
Yes.
that is why ke khone gore ke khutlele back ho yena even though batho ba mtjigetse ka ofela I went back. You understand? Bontsha go motho ke tseba bohlokwa ba hae. But now ha dintho tse di motho a di trigger tsa khale and then o batla di answer a sa o arabe o etsa jwang. o thusahala jwang cause o batla ho bua le ena o utlwe okay ntho e ntseng hore o ntjhintjhele ke eng sesosa se ntseng o ntjhintjhele a re nna zanka tjhintjha nna ntho tse buang ka tsona ke di tsebe then we bua we reng so nna for nna it was like okay this thing a ke sa batla like ho e bua hape like ebile a ke sa batla le hore e kgutla ke tsebe nka eraser di-memory jwang like I just wanna erase them o understand di ska ntse di kgutla hangata especially ha etsa dintho tsa di etsang because now ha se motho e le horeng ha se motho even le no o ka se mo jwetse
ke batswadi ba le ba o itira ka re bona ba tsebe
ha batlo o mo jwetse ka phoso never yena o dula a le right wena o tla ntho o e buang eo la ile right it doesn't matter ho yena okay sharp ha o sa bone ntho ya ka ke buang e le right it's okay we always arguing ka nthonyana tse jwalo cause nna ke kgona hore ke mo face ke mo jwetse nnete and then re beretsa re qetetsa entseng a kwatile and then I'm like okay sharp nna ke be ke ithulela mola o batla mo jwetse hore mme this and this and this and this and this ntho tse so tse ma ha di right a batla o ka se mo question a batle nix so o bua jwang le motho o jwalo
and then o lo motho hore na why a ile go accuse ka gore bana le monna hae
a ga e bua ntho
a
zanga yetsa ntho yena a ga zanga yetsa
but o ile go accuse ka gore bana le monna hae
a ona rata go thola di-happy seat la sa mesamo di-happy seat di tletse everywhere o rata go di-happy seat tse di tletse everywhere so you understand hore ha yes ke go ba o tjho motho wa bitre o na le gore a senye dintho ka ho bua but a utlwa kere ha na bua ka nako next a ye ho mme ke fihle ke mmotse dintho tseo dintho tse ke hona ke montshetsang le tsone le teng a ke lwane le ke dintshano ke wa tseba hona le dintho tse le hore o no di bua wena and then how di bua di khutla pe nna ba ntjwetse bona batho ba no bua le bona o understand and tse dintsa dintho o di bua ke le teng hona ka ntlong o bue le bona batho ba so dintho tse ha o le motho o di kopantse gore ke o tjho go motho dintho tse batho ba ntse ba tla ba ntjwetsa tsona o tjho ke nnete yeah so it makes sense it's a pity fela gore ha o gone ha ke gone hore o ka tswa ke bisa maybe batho bene ke reka le bona tell you me o the treatment towards ngwana it was bad mo lo re ga o tlo go jwetsa ke ka mkhone ba batla go ntsha ka teng yes I couldn't no sna go nka bua le no re ke batla go ntsha diphahlo tsaka ka mkho treatment ne le bad ka teng ne re everyone ha o tla wena o tlo mo jwetsa go mme ngwana o so na sa batla utlwa nka o lahlela ka go kena ka hlola ke tsa o ditaba that's ke respond ya high so batho bao nna ke go nna ka nna ke re ba nthusitse because of now ne ba nthusa actually ba nthusa because ba hlulele ho ntsha but ne le batho be le gore ba ne ba emele nna trying hore ba ntshe mole seeing the treatment as much as ele wena o le ha o next door o neighbor o bona ngwana hore o phediswa jwang wa bona go motho o wa sutliwa emotionally wa sutliwa mantswe a jwetsa ngwana ka mkhwa treatwang ka teng o batla go montsha but ha o gone it was one of those things tse loreng bomme bao ba ne ba nthusa ka tsona ba bene re ke re ka le bona but they couldn't ha ba zama mthaya ka bomme ba mlate ka ditsela but ba faila ntho eo e tshwanang le eo until nna ke wa taking is fine ke tlo dinka dintho tse tsaka and then ke di tsamaise nna ke tla iketsetsa if a faisa o tla faisa na lena ha ona motho le ke tla mkenya ditabeng a tlo questionwa le qetelletse le kana mathateng it's only gonna be me ka dinka diphahlo tseo ka di kopela mo ka di beya and then isa ha re ke tsamaye sharp ka itsamaela ke lata diphahlo ka di sa mone tshwantse ke dule teng yeah so ke yona ntho e le goreng e tsamaya e utlwisa pelo ka bohloko gore what happened to the love that we have
like what happened
yeah what happened like ho lerato le o nkile ngwana sna mangwe and then wa monka it was a short period but because I think ke dutsela ne ke tsa matric I think about March April yeah March April and then ke tsamaile it was 2006 ke tsamaile 2007 I think it was a year that short period eo e ke dutseng le ena before ke dula le ena ine le motho a le mo full time tla go rekela diphahlo a be mo like o na le mo emotional ha o lla o mo ha o reng o mo ma sa ke dula le ena hayo motho
because like even now like I'm trying to figure out or king and twist in the relationship I say jealousy it could be
because ke motho o bontshwang
henkare
ke motho o bontshwang
prophet
ke
prophetess
kind of ke motho o bontshwang so re ka se tsebe le teng Because ka nako ha o bonela motho dintho
Hence
tsa
ke
hae
re
pele.
life is spiritual.
Yes, o ka nna wa fetoha ka tsela e nngwe. Because ke question e le horeng e fihla ho nna each and
'Cause
every time.
the only thing that will make sense ke jealousy, you know? Ke tepea ka gare ga lapa mo e leng gore ke na le ngwana, nkere ke na le bana ba i-2, and then ho na le o mongwe le gore a se ngwanaka, akere. So bana ba ka, they're not doing well. And I ke bone o kare ba na le a brighter future, but the other one o na le o bontsha o kare like o na le a brighter future. Obviously nka dira something to sabotage bophelo ba hao
Exactly.
out of jealousy.
I think it might be ha na sa notice now, because now ne ke le hole le ena ke na sa kgone ho bona, ha o kgone ho tseba motho o so dule le ena. Motho ha o mmonela ka o mmona hanyana, but now when o dula le motho o kgona ho bona okay, motho she's so smart, and then motho wa bala, and then motho she's going there or going ha utlwe ko jwa ke
O different
yeah, ke ne ke le motho o nang le a vision,
Yes.
because now because of ka mokgo ke gotseng ka teng ne ke batla ho tswa mo ke leng teng. My mind was like I want out. Ha ke tsebe jwang modimo ma go tloetsa plan. I don't know how or when manto ke tsebang ke tlo bala ke fetse o bala and then ke ya pele ha ke tsebe jwang mara ke tloe mo ke a tswa mo. I once ne ke dula ke mo ke a tswa mo. I don't know how, but I am, because it was my vision e ne ke na le yona, ne ke sa batle ho tsamaya mo batswadi ba ka kapa bonkgono wa ka kaofela mo ba tsamaileng teng. Ke batlile ho etsa a chapter ya ka e ntjha e different. Okay, nna ke batla ho ba different out of them all. Beside yena ke a tseba okay ke motho a nkile fela, but now ke shebile madi a ka o ratswa kae, ke sheba morao ke a bona hore background ya ka it was bad. Background o tloa bo nkgono bo ntate mo le was bad. Hona motho le gong o tla re o fihlile a bala until maybe grade 12, o fihlile a etsang kaofela bona o fella bo ma grade bo standard 6 o fellwa mo. Batho ba teng wa sokolwa like ke tlhopheho. So a ke batle tlhopheho eng. Kelello ya ka it was like tlhopheho ha e dule. So a ke tsebe hore ntwe mentseng a fetoe keng. Go bonetse pele hore future motho is so or ho etsala I don't know.
Because or ke moporofeta.
So ke yona ntho e le hore in em frustrator to a core hore motho o tjhentjhisitswe ke eng. And ntho nkwatisang go I'm still in your life. What more do you want? It's like ha ke enough. Ntse ke le mo life ya ene ntse ke batla lerato le la lamme. Wa itse ke dutse ke le wana qata o sheba di video tsa like dikeledi kwala this chapter ya mme bro mme wa mabitleng ha ona mme ba tlola o nka bomme ba batho like ikwale like o tsho ga ke na mme. And ntho ya e ke notice ntho ya ke tsebe ke o lina ka batho ha e thuse, because e o bolaya it's either o ngwana or motho mo le ya o bolaya, because immediately motho o cause ne ke nqikile ka yena ke nna ke linne ka yena ke le ngwana itse ha suta wa etsalang ka feel that o no motho o nhloile kanti maybe ke nako ngwe le gore modimo maybe o na batla o mpontsha a o sie ikemele. Yes, motho o tlile life ya hao mare ha re tsebe di intentions ke di eng. Kana motho mo a ka nka a o beya ko ntlong ya hae a dula le wena ha o tsebe di intentions hore ke eng. Yes, you can think okay o nkila and save and everything, the intentions tsa o le ngwana wa di tsebe ha o di tsebe.
Ke ntho ke bolelang ke re life is spiritual.
Yes, so ha o di tsebe.
And also modimo sometimes ke fela ke botsa batho ke re modimo ga o kopanya le batho ba bangwe o kopanya le bona because they are meant to be in your life for that time.
Yes.
So no lela motswadi o leng gore o na le bana ba hae, like ke the first mistake o e dirang. O lela motswadi o leng gore wena ho ka sokola noso, ho ka phutla mafase noso a ka se o kuke a o phološa. So why o nyaka go build a relationship le motho le gore a go nyake?
Good question.
Why? Sense of belonging? Because ha go direle selo ape?
No.
Why?
It's not like o add a value or anything.
Why?
Ke a good question like
Kwena motho o moholo no.
that is why ke ne ke ipotsa question, that is why I took into initiative e ke nkileng gore girl emella o mama like why you doing this to yourself.
O na le ngwana? Attention
Ke
na o nana gore nka buisha ko ngwaneng wao.
I have to.
Because if nna bapaletse ko take care ka nna, if bapaletse ko ntlhokomela, ke tlo tšea attention ela kaofela ka e fa ngwanaka ebile ka ba extra
Yes.
ka dira better than the way ba ntirileng ka gona. Ke mo e leng gore re dira di-corrections.
Yeah.
Di-corrections re di thoma ka mang?
That is a mo-
Ka bana ba rena. But why? Go berekela go lwela lerato le e leng gore
Lesiko.
ga le gona. Because the reason why ke reng there's more to this story. O boletse gore batho the neighbors they knew, basadi ba ko kerekeng they knew. Bona they knew the situation.
Yes.
Tse dingwe a so di tlhalose.
Yes.
Rena we work with what we have.
Yes.
And ntho e tlhalositseng gore okay, she did this and this and this and that. Maybe other mabaka mangwe wa diretse ka gore moporofeta le ntho wa di hlakane le boloi a di hlakane. That's the thing. Nkabe e se moporofeta be ke tlo re maybe ke moloi, you know. But now like we are talking about a spiritual healer. Someone who leng gore mmereko wa hae is to heal broken souls. Someone who leng gore mmereko wa gago ko go tlisha batho moreneng.
Yes.
Motho o na le di-anger issues. Motho o abuse batho emotionally and mentally. Go tseba mamonse ba go beta re tsebe. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, we are talking about a spiritual healer.
Yes.
So that's what go kere. The first thing is unto you o deleted nama phone ja hae. If you don't want to go back,